Real quick, this is a 2000 Toyota 4runner. It's not getting a starter signal. Well, it wasn't at one time, and it was partly due to me hooking this aftermarket start and aftermarket step device up. It was my fault. So, but learned something new with the starting circuit with this car. So, if you're not getting a starter signal, one thing you can do is check the start fuse here. This is 7.5. What's supposed to happen when you turn the key into the start position? You're supposed to get the, I don't know if you can see a light at the bottom right there. It's supposed to activate. It shows you getting current going through it. If you got a starter signal out there, then this fuse should be fine. This fuse should send 12 volts out to the starter relay, which I'm going to show how to test that. So how to remove this relay? Let me get my light. To remove the relay, you're gonna have to, there's a starter relay right here. There's a little tab down at the bottom. Pry that back and just pry it up on the relay and pull it out. Alright. So you want to make sure I got the pins right here to line up so you can see the diagram. Pin 5 and 3 are going to be the switch mechanism. So basically what sends the 12 volts to the starter relay here and here. So here's it's going out to the starter. Here is the 12 volt source. It should be constantly 12 volts. It's lighting up, so I got 12 volts. Here's my ground for the magnetic side of the relay. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my test light, put it here on the hot side of the battery. Check for ground, which it just lights up, shows it's capable of activating this bulb here. Take my test light, go back to the, I didn't do this, just FYI. Go to the signal side of things. I don't know if you noticed, but I think the fuel system's activating. I guess because it doesn't detect the ground. Oh gosh. Alright. I'll fish that out later. Anyway, I'm going to put my test light here. Go back in the car and turn the switch in the on position, or start position. It should light up. So yeah, let's start right there. So I'm getting a signal. So if you're getting a signal but still no starter signal and no signs of life in the starter, you can take a jumper wire. I do recommend using the fusible link, but you can just jump from the hot side of the relay straight to the load side, and this is what you got. This car does start even though it has a mobilizer system. It's not that bright. What you can do is leave the key in the on position like it currently is, and just keep tapping the starter until it hits. So worry about recording. Anyway, let's try it again. What's the learning lesson? Well, you can start the car with the jumper wire. The security system isn't that intelligent, so it's not like GM where it activates and deactivates other relays to start up. But anyway, you usually get like one more opportunity to start the car, a couple, or maybe 2, 3 sometimes. I mean, hell, it'll last for like an entire month. The starter isn't too shot. But I want to inform the customer they need a starter and pop a starter runner.